This is the highest waterfall in Florida. It's 73 feet high and it disappears in a really deep sinkhole.
We were here last year, I think, and then there was way more water because everything was flooded around us. We were here at the same time roughly, and now it's hardly any water. Still nice to see.
Up these stairs, they were fixing them, which was still damaged from
One of the hurricanes.
Michael, I think.
Yeah. But they fixed it up really nicely.
So now we can finally do the loop. So one last look at the trickling highest waterfall. I love history. So about 900 years ago people started moving into this area. And this is one of the remains. It's a temple mouth, an earthen temple mouth. Almost there, my dear. Almost there. You made it! Going down is so much easier. Jackson Mounts I cannot pronounce that word. Archaeological State Park. It's not the most exciting place to visit, but to just stop for an hour or more, have some lunch, walk around a bit, it's perfect. And it's quiet. There's another mount which we can climb, but I think I will pass.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, he's watching. He's watching. Harvest Host campus. We'll be out to meet you in a few.
Okay.
Okay.
There's a country store.
Country store. This is the perfect spot for us. Plenty of dogs to pet.
Nice and quiet. All kinds of animals.
When the crop can be harvested, then the owner can sell it. And they usually get a good sum of money for the trees when they're that big. All those water. I'm not bringing my own food. You've already had food today. And grass and waters. That's a guinea feather.
Yeah, it looks just like them.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, just like them.
Yeah. I have an artist friend that does some really unusual portraits and things, and it's very.
Those guinea fowls sleep in that tree. So they're slowly making their way there. There they go. Yep, that's one. That's two. Four of them are already up in the tree. The rest is still roaming around.
Turn right onto Savannah Boulevard.
I called this morning. I have a reservation for tomorrow, but there was a spot available.
For 41, you talked to me.
There you go. I'll park it over. Sitting here at the observation tower of Paynes Prairie State Preserve, close to Gainesville, Florida. Spent a couple of nights here and now we're enjoying the view from the observation tower. We were here last year and then it was more flooded and we saw wild horses. Not much of that this year, but it's nice up here.
I love those trees completely covered with the Spanish moss. Last year somebody explained to me that that Spanish moss, they used to call it Spanish beard to insult the Spanish conquerors, and then Spanish beard disappeared and they just called it Spanish moss. Apparently they use that stuff for a lot of things. They wash it so that white goes off, and they dry it and they can make ropes of it, or they use it to fill blankets. And the trees are covered with.
Spanish moss again.
What's the plan?
Try to make maybe some kind of cinnamon rolls with this package, which I normally never use. Let's see what happens. First I have to read, but I have to get my glasses. You know I hate using this stuff, huh? But sometimes you have to use the stuff that you can get.
What are you putting on there?
Just a mixture of butter, some sugar and some cinnamon. Yeah, there we go. Just making some simple cinnamon rolls with sweet tooth on this day. See if this stuff works. Let's see what happens.
smells really nice. I like them.
You do?
Yeah. I
Hey.
like them a lot.
Easy done.
Mm.
Use the camp oven and you have something nice and sweet and warm.
Second opinion. They're really nice. 3 more. And we're only 5 minutes away from...
They're not bad. I'll make them again. Maybe a little bit different.
Nope. Perfect.